Forno Appliances introduces you to the model 6187 gas range 48 inches cooking stove. This model features a massive solid iron cast cooking grill. The 8 dual burners are made in solid brass and can output up to 20,000 BTU. The dual burners are sealed and have a double entry gas line which allow you to simmer as low as 1000 BTU. It offers you a fully adjustable square leg support that makes leveling easy and quick. The bevel-shaped doors offer a unique professional look. The durable stainless steel Type 304 made with chromium and nickel to provide the best protection against corrosion. Thick, durable, pro-style door handles with large viewing window. There are 12 heavy-duty cast zinc knobs that illuminate. This model is equipped with a nightlight with automatic magic eye. Provides a unique lighting ambiance. Light temperature indicator. Easy to locate cooking switches. Comes equipped with a cast iron black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable, suitable for stove cooking. The surface is of black enamel cooktop for easy maintenance and cleaning. This model also comes equipped with a cast iron griller that is reversible and also movable. The interior stove has a stylish blue enamel color. There are 6 telescopic stainless steel racks with easy grip handles for easy rolling and adjustable in height in both ovens. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. This model has a main oven capacity of 4.32 cubic feet. It also features a second oven with a size of 2.26 cubic feet. The main electrical oven is equipped with a top outer broiler of 1800 watts and an inner broiler of 1000 watts. The bottom electrical element is powered by 2000 watts and the true convection fan is 1500 watts. The main oven has 2 interior bright halogen lights. The main oven comes with a rotating rotisserie stick with powerful motor that can handle large poultry. The second oven has 1 halogen light and the electrical element is of 1700 watts. It also has a top broiler of 1700 watts. Comes equipped with an LP kit for conversion from natural to propane.